you ready?
We wanted to do something different this year. We wanted to celebrate life, celebrate relationships, and Kenyon Salo was a perfect fit for that particular thought process.
Who here has been skydiving? Raise your hand. Let's celebrate those guys for making bad life decisions.
Absolute energy.
It was awesome. He got us all energized, excited.
He really breaks down the walls. People were talking to each other, they were buzzing. He really came in here and infused the audience with a ton of energy, and you can feel it, it's palpable in the room.
I really believe if you say yes first and you let the how figure itself out later, it will always work.
I was afraid to make the public speech. Right now, I killed this fear in myself.
Let's give him a round of applause.
We let them connect with each other and connect with us. We speak about our vision, our future, and how we are reimagining what we do in business.
To live more fulfilled, it's 100% about helping others. And with Vinod, I asked him, I said, what's something on your bucket list that's not business, not family, that's you? And he said his desire is to give back to the less fortunate and be able to build something that impacts the entire country of India. And when a leader of a company has that kind of stance, that says to me that this company is going in great places. So think about your legacy and how Subex and its partners and its customers are going to change the world.
It's about sharing stories, it's about sharing experiences, it's about coming together, helping people.
Even though you might be in business, you might be doing something privately, doesn't matter, you gotta live a little, or it's not worth anything.
How to lead a better life, how to lead a fulfilled life. These are the kind of experiences we really want to give to our customers, and Malta so far has been fantabulous. It is one of our traits at Subex to make it happen. So we did really make it happen here. I'm already looking forward to next year's user conference.
Hey, it's Kenyon Salo here, and I want to thank each and every one of you that came to the 15th annual user conference for Subex here in Malta. It's been an amazing event, and you guys played at 100%. I want you to always remember to create more experiences, share more stories, and third and most importantly, live more fulfilled by helping others. Thanks for having me, and we'll see you again soon.